Hi, this is me Shatir speaking, and today I got the hair surgery and they're doing really good, and I feel it doesn't even pain, and I feel really great, and I'm gonna get back my hair back, which is a lot to me, and I feel really thankful what they done to me. And I think you guys gotta come over here too, cause they do really nice, and even the team worker is really great, and I'm really thankful to what they done to me. And thank you so much for helping my hair transplant. Thank you. Yeah.